My name is Sabrina. I am the Assistant Community Manager at Mariner's Place, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of our 616 square foot, 1-bed, 1-bath apartment. So let's get started. So here as we walk into our unit, we have a very spacious living area. And as you can see, there's plenty of natural light that comes in from our windows. As this is an open floor plan, we do have the connection from the living room directly to the dining area. My favorite part about this kitchen is the breakfast bar. It's perfect for entertaining your guests, for watching the kids, catching up on your favorite shows, looking after your furry friends. Next, let's take a look at the bedroom. So as we walk into the bedroom, you can see this large picture window with sliders, bringing in all that natural light from the sun. Now, as you can see, the bedroom is pretty spacious, but my favorite part about this unit is the his and hers closet. So to my right, you do have one closet. And then to the other side, we have an L-shaped closet, perfect for storage or lots and lots of clothes. Now let's not forget the restroom. My favorite part about the restroom is the cosmetic box medicine cabinet. And we do have a full bath. Now let's not forget about the amenities that come with our property and living here on site. See you in a minute. Welcome back and thanks for joining me. Here I am outside of our laundry facility. So it just opened 24 hours and we do have washers and dryers along with a little table that you can use for folding your clothes. Now around the corner from our laundry facility, we do have our grills for our residents' enjoyment as well as a seating area. Right next to the seating area, we do have our spa and a full-sized pool for your enjoyment. Now here at Mariner's Place, we do have 1- and 2-bedroom apartment homes, and you can visit marinersplaceapts.com to see all upcoming availability. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye!